air conditioner that made the earth burn.
Ugh, it's so hot. I need to turn on the air conditioner. I don't get how this could be a problem, my friend. Of course it's a problem. You are the reason I'm working. Typical human. The electricity used by the air conditioner typical humans turned on flowed to the electric power plant. Buzz. Air conditioner, you are the reason that I'm working. Again, it flowed through the coal-fired power plant. Buzz. Electric power plant. I hate to say this, but you are the reason that I'm working, and I'm sick of working. All of that pollution of the power plants made carbon dioxide, which made the... You are the reason that I'm working hardly. Yeah, what the sun said. Which makes us back to this scene. You are the reason that I'm working till I burst the sun. You are the reason that the earth is working. Burning. Let's save the earth from burning. Let's let the earth rest. Without feeling heat. We should give back to our community, which gave us our sweet, sweet home. The earth.